If you skip this video, you might miss one of the easiest fully funded scholarship opportunities in Australia right now. I'm talking about full tuition covered, up to $135,000 in total support, travel agent, health insurance, and in some cases, no RELTS. And the craziest part, some of these scholarships don't even require a separate application. So once you apply for the school, you get an automatic acceptance for the fully funded scholarship. Stay with me, I'll show you exactly how to apply step by step. If you're new here, my name is Adenisa. I break down real relocation opportunities, no scams, no agents, just verified paths. Everything I mentioned, you can check yourself, you can apply yourself, you don't need to pay anyone. So if you're serious about leaving your country through education, this is one video you should not skip. Okay, guys, so now the university is the University of Melbourne Scholarship Database. Now pay attention. Once you're on the website, you have to filter by study level. So if you're looking for master's, PhD, undergraduate, you have to make sure that it's set to show international students. You have to select your field of study. Then you click on the scholarship. So once you click on the scholarship, you will notice something powerful. Many say automatic consideration, meaning once you apply for the scholarship, you automatically considered once you apply for the school or for the course of study, you're automatically considered for the fully funded scholarship. So there's no extra stress or any extra steps required. You just need to apply for the scholarship and then you're set to go. So Melbourne Graduate Research Scholarship. That is what I want us to go detail into today. So it covers full tuition fees, living allowance, travel grant, overseas student health cover, relocation allowance. And as you can see, it can cover up to $37,000 per year. Travel grants for up to $3,000 and more. So the value of this scholarship is easily over $100,000. Now imagine this: you study, you earn stipend, you build international experience. That is life changing. You're leaving your country already set. Before we continue, this part is very important. People wait until they relocate before they start earning, and that's a mistake because applications cost money, relocations cost money, living costs money. So what if you could start earning before you even move? That is where Dreamport comes in. Dreamport allows you to become a freelance travel agent, no experience needed. Here is how it works. You sign up, you get free training, get certified, receive real client requests, earn commission. Some people make 200, 500, 1,000 plus monthly from anywhere in the world. I'm there. Many of my fans are there. Many of my subscribers are there. So you can join the trail and start making money anywhere you find yourself in the world. So while you're applying for Australia, you're already earning in dollars. And the link is going to be in the pinned comment section and the description box. Now let's break down this properly. Let's go back to our so the portal is really easy to use and there are tons of scholarships there. As you can see, displaying 632 results. If you want, and this is because I selected, you can filter to what you want. We have the application status, study stage, student type, level of study, undergraduate, you see, area of study, and that is it. So you choose. I will recommend open for automatic consideration. That means once you apply, automatically you're being considered for the scholarship. If you don't choose this one, you might find ones that are for automatic consideration and ones that are not for automatic consideration. So it might be either ways. So you can click on this and you can choose several options under one search status, right? So but I'll recommend, like, if you look for open for automatic consideration, then you choose one under study stage, maybe current study, and then student type. Are you you make sure you choose international students. That also reduces the number of choices when it's for international students. It refines it down. So you see, once I chose international students, it reduced the options to 414. Now, if I choose, for example, graduates, it's going to reduce the options further to 221. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. If you want undergraduate, it's going to increase it to the number of undergraduates available for international students, current study, and open automatic consideration. So just play around, filter what you're looking for, but also choose your area of study. This is where it really goes down, because now the area of study is really what determines it. If you're looking for agriculture, let's see how many it's gonna give us. It goes down to 24. So make sure you do your area of study before you start searching, just so you don't apply for something that does not concern you, right? And the amount of scholarship for automatic consideration is different depending on the scholarship you're applying for. You see, some have 500, some have 400. This is automatic. Some have 1,200, some have 3,000. So it just depends on your area of study, like different things. Let's see if you want to do graduate research. Let's do graduate coursework. Graduate research, sorry. Then I have to remove the undergraduate filter, so it's not graduate and undergraduate. It's going to refine it further. You see, up to 13,000, guys, no joke. 8,000, 6,500, 100% fee remission, and up to $135,000. Guys, apply. Let's look at this one. That's a lot of money that they have ready to give out. So guys, please take care of it. Up to 600 applications have been accepted. No joke. 600 applications. That's the amount that they are accepting. So it's not a joke, guys. So once you're here, you check the eligibility, conditions, selection criteria, and then this is the stage is open for automatic consideration, domestic and international students, 100 fee remission, future study, current study, graduate research 1 or more years. If you want more information, you go to this. Now, because you have to find the scholarship that fits you. So those ones were just the ones for automatic. It actually offers up to 1,200 scholarships. Start your search today, and the process is quite easy. So these are the numerous scholarships available under that category, 18,000, all of that. So once you choose what you want, you just follow the instructions very closely and you're set to go. Right, so we selected that particular one. They're looking for up to 2 people. This is the amount available, 32,500. Study level undergraduate for this particular one. So please look closely at the whole process, especially this box will tell you if this is where you're supposed to be. Look if you're eligible, then always check on how to apply. The different scholarships have different application processes. Look at the requirement. Do you meet at least 90% of the requirement? Then apply. This particular one, you need to go through the special entry access scheme. It explains everything you need to know. You now have to go, you visit the equity scheme scholarships. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to where. So the key, like these scholarships are there available, and then you're going to see it's open till 8th April. Then it's going to close. This is the first round. It's going to close 5th June. The next will open 3rd August, 9. It's going to close in October. 1 application, 2 outcomes. So guys, please take your time and go through the process, because this people are saying they can't travel to Australia through school and all that, but this scholarship is massive. And many people just get lazy to follow instructions, because once you follow the instructions closely, it guides you on the next step. You know exactly what you are doing next, and that makes it super easy. Okay guys, and don't just look at the upper part of it and say I'm not eligible. Dive deeper, do your research, and you realize, and it's updated all the time. So this one was updated 18 February 2026. There's always something for somebody. Are you undergraduate? Are you a graduate? Are you doctor? Like, there's always something for somebody. So it's never too late for you to seize the opportunity to apply. If you need one-on-one support writing your motivation letter, or you have a particular scholarship that you want to apply to, but you don't know how to go about it, simply book a session and we take it from there. Our first session, we will see exactly what you need and we'll determine the number of sessions you need. But I'm going to walk you through on how to apply to ensure that success is your portion. You just need to book your session. If you can do it on your own, that's amazing. That's why I'm here giving you a walkthrough, so you can do it on your own. But if you can't, then I'm still here for you. Or you get your membership and I simply write your motivation letter and give you. Okay guys, so I got you. Scholarships. So please, when you're choosing a course, do not choose randomly. Make sure what aligns with your degree, what has career demand, what supports career pathways. High demand fields include nursing, IT, engineering, education, public health. So don't just randomly go and select a field of study. Make sure that it's also something that is high in demand. Then you're also increasing your chances of also getting a job once you complete your education and relocating permanently, and even bringing over your family. Then once you've done everything, make sure you prepare your documents. You need academic transcripts, CV, personal statement, recommendation letters. Okay guys, so make sure that you write a strong personal statement. This is where most people fail. Don't say I love Australia. No. What problem do you want to solve? Your academic journey, your future impact. Make it personal, make it clear. So once all this is set, you go ahead and submit your application. Then you're automatically considered for the scholarship. Let's clear this up. Not all programs remove IELTS, but some universities accept WAEC English, previous education in English, internal test. So don't disqualify yourself. Always make sure that you check. If you want to stand out, apply to multiple universities, apply early, tailor your statement, use strong referrals, and most importantly, choose the right course. Wrong course equals the rejection, so you have to be very careful about the course you choose. Avoid waiting till the deadline. Copy paste personal statements, applying blindly, or relying on agents. Everything is online. You can do your research and get it done. But now, if you want like CV template, a template for your motivation letter just to stand out, a step-by-step content strategies, private videos, join my YouTube membership by clicking on the join button below this video, and we can make sure that your motivation letter is strong and ready to go. So that's where the real guidance is. If you want a one-on-one consultation to guide you on how to go about the whole process, make sure you book a session with me. The link is going to be in the description box. Okay guys, so if this video helped you, please like this video, comment Australia, share this with someone, and subscribe, because I drop real opportunities like this every week. Your relocation is possible. You just need the right information and action. And see you guys in my next video.